What's up, YouTube? Here's another sorry, it's kind of messy. Oh yeah, my light from my bike. Yeah, there's a charger. How you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are doing alright. Go outside really quick. Check out this truck. That's my buddy's truck. It's pretty nice. Dang, look at all these moths. Hopefully you guys are doing alright. So, look at these. Sorry about that. Look at these stickers. It's a Chevy. Hopefully you guys are doing awesome. And hopefully you can see me. I was just doing a vlog, so but look at this spoiler. Really look at what is a truck for? And hopefully you guys are doing alright. I already said that, but yeah, it's a pretty nice night. And no scam people on my YouTube. I don't like that. Alright, peace out. Chew.